guys, once again, I'm Mildred. I'm here at the backyard. I'm looking for the banana trees here. That's all banana trees. Hundreds of banana trees, and we have piggeries. This is 2,000 plus per meter. This is my place. I born here in Pangasinan. Oh yeah. And we have mango tree here. This is 100 years, I think, or much more than 100 years. This is the piggery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 piggeries. I was playing here when I was young, when I'm only 8 years old, I think. I will stay to my grandmother's house when I was born, since birth until grade 3. Then I'm going to Manila. I go in Manila when I was 8 years old or 9. Then I study there with my parents and siblings. My grandmother was died when I was only 11 years old. She loves me so much, and I miss her so much too. We have Eiffel Tower here. Lots of different trees here. I see bananas. I plant the banana trees when I'm staying here last 2009. And now my bananas are so many now. Then go to the front of the big house. We call it malaking bahay. So in English, big house.